Thanks for checking out this review of the Mercari USB Microphone Kit. I am actually up in a production booth right now in a large church, so sorry about the terrible lighting. We usually don't have lights on at all in our production space when we're working. We are using this Mercari Microphone Kit attached to our video editing and projection system here. You can see that's not on right now because this microphone is actually plugged into this camera right now. So the sound you're hearing is the sound it's recording. We'll be using it for our announcements, for talkback to the rest of our crew so people in other spaces can hear us over their headphones, and for recording our podcasts and things of the sort. It's got great noise reduction on it. We tested it with our band rehearsal the other night just to check it out. And I love this tripod mount. If you've ever had one of these swing arm lamps, you are probably familiar with the basics of it. But let me tell you, this thing's got really good mobility. And the number of positions you can give this head will really put the microphone anywhere you want it. It's a lot more mobile and has several extra adjustments. Like there's 3 of them here alone just on this end, so you can get the microphone right where you need it. As I said, the microphone is hooked up to this phone right now that I'm using to video record, so it's not plugged into our computer and turned on as we'll use it most of the time. But I figured this was the best way to give you a review of it and to let you hear its sound. It did come with a USB-C to USB adapter, so it could plug into the phones or into a USB-C port on the computer. So yeah, sounds great. It's very positionable, and I think we're going to enjoy this microphone for quite a while. Thanks.